guys, it's X. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we are going to be picking out the winner for the exclusive Popsicle mirror. I got this in my last mystery box and I had so much fun doing the last giveaway. So this time I had 91 views on my Star Ranch tutorial video and 11 people entered the giveaway. So here is the box, and you do have to be okay with the fact that I ripped the box because I never know how to open these mirrors, so I apologize in advance. But here is what the mirror looks like. It's really pretty. I would like to keep it for myself just because it's an exclusive, but I'm not going to use it, so might as well give it to somebody who will enjoy it and will like it. Not that I don't like it, it's just I'm not going to use it. And I think I gave away, like, this is my third mirror that I've given away because they just sit on my drawer. So anyway, I wrote down the 11 people that entered on Post-its this time. We are going to be doing the same thing. I put number 1 through 11 on the wheel and we will spin the wheel in a second. I just want to thank everybody who entered so much for entering into this video. I will have more giveaways probably in the future as my channel grows, but this was really exciting, really fun to do. So before we pick the person, don't forget to like, comment, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching and for helping me grow my channel. And okay, so in order to be fair, again, I did enter you in the giveaway as you I picked the number, I signed your number, I can't talk. I signed the number to you as you responded. So if you were the first person to enter the giveaway, you're number 1. If you're second, you're number 2, and so on, just to be fair. And we are gonna go ahead and pick a person by spinning the wheel. This is my favorite part of doing this. I went ahead and put you in number 1 through 11. There you go. And now we are going to spin and pick the winner. It's exciting. I like when it spins. And number 6! Okay, so I will message the person on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next giveaway in the next video. Bye!